In this video, I'll show you how to set up role-based pricing for WooCommerce. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so on this demo store, I'll set up a role-based discount for our admin users. Okay, and in your case, this can be wholesalers, this can be a bronze level customer, and so on. Okay, depend on the user role that you create. So currently now I'm logged out, and here we're seeing the prices in full. Okay, so just make a note of this particular price here. Whereas when we log back in as admin, as I mentioned, we're giving our admin users a 50% discount across all products. Okay, so as you can see, this would typically cost $500, but for this user role, we're giving a 50% discount. And again, in your case, this can be a wholesale user role and so on. Okay, so throughout this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this. I'm also going to show you how to set up other discounts, such as you can create for example, you can create a bulk pricing discount for customers with a specific user role. You can create buy one get one free offers only for selected users with a specific user role. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the dynamic pricing and discount rules plugin by AovUp. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the AovUp Dynamic Pricing and Discount Rules plugin, the next step is just to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go Plugins, Add New, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Now we just need to go ahead and activate the Dynamic Pricing and Discount Rules plugin. So I've already got this activated. Now we can just click on Manage to create our role-based pricing rule. Okay, throughout this video, I'm assuming you've already created your user roles. If not, I'll leave a link on screen to a video showing you how to create your user roles. So to start off, we'll create a percentage discount based on a customer's user role. And then just click on roles here. And then here, we'll just create a discount based on a specific user role. So for example, if I enable this option here, we're creating a discount for admin, okay? And this will be, we can do a price discount, meaning we can say they'll get $5 off each item in their basket, or we can say they'll get a percentage discount. And just to keep math super simple, we'll say admin gets a 50% discount. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, and then we'll come back over here and have a look at a few other rules, okay? So let's head over to our shop page. Okay, and here we've got this notification informing us that as an admin user role, we'll be getting 50% discount off all products. We can remove this notification as well if you don't want it. So for example, here you can see we're getting 50% off everything. Okay, so if we add this to our basket, okay, here you can see it was originally $500, but now we're getting it for $250. Okay, and here it's just letting us know that we saved $250. Okay, so let's head back over to our dashboard and let's create some other type of rule. So I'm going to disable this rule. Let's hit save changes. Let's navigate to advanced rules. Let's go ahead and create a bulk pricing rule for a particular user role. So let's delete this one. Let's add a new rule. We can give it a name, it's just for internal purposes. Okay, so we can base this rule on the item quantity or the sum of the category. Okay, so I'm just going to say cart line item here. Then we get to choose which categories we want this rule to apply to. So for example, we can say if a customer buys an items from our action and reflex games category, we're going to give them a discount, and we can give them a discount within the same category or in a different category. So the reason why we have this option here is, let's say, for example, you want to say if a customer buys a handbag, for example, in our handbag category, we'll give them 10% if they go on to buy something from our accessories category. So this is why we've got category count and category to adjust. Okay, so this is the trigger, and then this is where the discount will apply. So if you want this discount to apply within the same category, just make sure you select the same category. Okay, and then here where it says applies to, we'll go ahead and select specific role. And again, just to keep things super simple, we're going to be creating a discount for admin. Okay, so we'll select admin here for the processing mode. So we can create a bulk discount, tier-based pricing, special offers such as buy one get one free, or buy three items for the price of one, and so on. Okay, or a bundled type discount. Okay, so we'll just create a bulk pricing rule where it says applies to. We'll let this rule trigger without the customer having to enter in a coupon code. Okay, we can add a start and a finish date, and then here where it says minimum quantity, so let's say the customer needs to purchase 2 items. So if they purchase 2 to 5 items, we will give them a percentage discount. So it can be fixed as well, or it can be a price discount. But we're just going to say percentage discount of a 10% discount. And then we can click this plus icon, and then we'll say if they purchase over 6 items, and we'll just use the asterisk sign for above, we will give them a percentage discount of 20%. Okay, so here we're incentivizing our customers with the admin user role to create a bulk purchase essentially. So let's save this rule and then let's test it out. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my basket. Okay, so there's no discount applying. Okay, and let's add this one as well. Okay, so let's navigate over to the cart page and we'll go ahead and tweak the quantity. Okay, so let's change this to 4, for example. And let's update our cart. Now we should be getting a 10% discount. Okay, so here you can see we're actually saving $20 since we've purchased 5 items within that action and reflex games category. Okay, if we increase the quantity even more, so we can increase the quantity in either products since these 2 products belong to the same category. So we can say 3, for example, and now we should be getting a 20% discount. So let's head back over to our dashboard. And if we have a look at options, here we can show customers how much they've saved. And we can also disable the discount role notification banner, which we saw in my first example. Okay, we can also create different pricing discounts on the product level. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.